Hello, YouTube. Give me a second, please. Sorry, that was a little too loud. Sorry I haven't uploaded a video, and sorry my hair is so curly. I just took a shower. That's why. And it's like 9 o'clock, so you guys better like and subscribe because I stayed up just to let my tablet charge for you guys. Sorry, I thought my tablet was broken so I couldn't film, and turns out it wasn't, so sorry guys. But I did buy a new slime that I could show you guys. So it's actually like a neon orange kind of. So it's like really satisfying. Guys, leave a comment down below if you want me to do an ASMR video. I never even done one. If this video gets 10 likes, or like maybe 10 or 5 or 3 or something, that would be awesome. I will do an ASMR video for you guys no matter what. Probably right after this video uploads, I will for you guys. I will do anything for you guys. So this is just a really pretty neon color. So I wish I could sell this to you guys, but I'm not like famous enough. I hope I get like to 1,000 subscribers, you know, that kind of YouTuber. But I'm just nothing. Please give me a moment. Please give me another moment. Okay, now I'm ready. And I will do a singing video, so you better look it up. Right after this video, I will do a singing video, and then right after the singing video, I will do an ASMR video. So let's see what the next song is. No, I want this one right here. I bet you put sunflower on.
Red Rock Deli.
Well, I guess that will do. I guess. Guys, Marshmallow was supposed to come to my birthday, but my mom was like, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I wasted all my money. And so I was like, I went crying to my room. Like, crying. Girl, like, Felicia, you have no idea how long I was crying for. I was crying for like 3 hours. So, probably more. And my cousins, like, went up to me. They were like, oh, are you okay? Are you okay? And I was like, yeah. So then I was like crying my face out. And leave in the comment if you wanted Marshmallow to come to your birthday or someone famous to come to your birthday. And I will do something. Okay, guys. So about to end. So sorry I have to go, but I will do another one. I promise. Pinky promise. Okay, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, I cried during this video and tried my best. not much people watch me. Please, please, pretty, please, like it up. Or subscribe. Do something, please. Do it for this dog over here. Come here, Puggy. This doggy. Her name is Puggy. Do it for her, please. I even told her about Fly, please. Is this not enough for you? Please, guys, please. Like it up. Leave a comment if you liked this video and if you wanted someone famous to come to your birthday and whatever else I said in the video. And thank you. Love you guys. Bye.